Now let's explore techniques without pattern cards for knitting patterns. Switch between half gauge P and H to create mini purl stitches. This technique works for both single and double ribbing. Next, we'll demonstrate plain knitting. First, configure the carriage settings. We've completed the cast on and initial machine knitting. Now for the cam configuration. Set the left cam lever to the triangle mark. Position the right cam lever at the circle. Set the cam lever to T. We'll be working with tuck stitches, so set your tension dial to 4. Leave the secondary carriage as is. Now let's knit one full row. Currently both sets of needles are engaged. Slide the carriage back. Main needles now hold yarn without knitting. While the secondary needles knit normally. In this position, keep knitting rows until you reach your desired length. After completing a mini purl stitch section, keep the fabric on the needles. Next, work the English rib stitch. Keep the same machine settings. Just move the handle 2 positions to create the offset rib. Let's start knitting. First, knit 2 rows at position 5. Then move the lever to position 7. After this 2-notch adjustment, the secondary needles will align 2 stitches over. Knit 2 more rows without changing settings. After knitting 2 rows, return the handle to position 5. After 2 rows, move the handle to position 7. Repeating these steps creates the shifted English rib pattern. You can also use this method to attach additional small counterweights. Next, remove the fabric from the machine. The section below shows the mini purl stitch. This visible side is the right side of the work. The upper section shows the shifted English rib. This pattern was made by turning the secondary machine's handle. Turn the lower handle to create different patterns as desired. See the manual for detailed instructions.